Introduction. Hello, medical students. Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of cell biology and explore the intricate details of the immune system. The immune system plays a crucial role in defending our bodies against pathogens and maintaining our overall health. Throughout this session, we will closely examine the cellular components, functional mechanisms, and regulation of the immune system. So, let's embark on this enlightening journey together. The immune system comprises a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs, working harmoniously to protect the body. Key cellular components include leukocytes, or white blood cells, which are primarily involved in immune responses. Various types of leukocytes serve specialized functions, such as neutrophils, macrophages, dendritic cells, natural killer cells, and lymphocytes. Each cell type plays a unique role in recognizing and eliminating foreign invaders. The innate immune system serves as the first line of defense against pathogens. It works rapidly, providing immediate protection during the early stages of infection. Innate immune cells recognize conserved molecular patterns known as pathogen-associated molecular patterns, PAMPs, present on pathogens. These cells include phagocytes like neutrophils and macrophages, which engulf and destroy pathogens, as well as natural killer, NK, cells that kill infected cells directly. The adaptive immune system orchestrates highly specific responses against pathogens encountered previously. It adapts to provide long-lasting immunity. Adaptive immunity involves two main types of lymphocytes, namely T cells and B cells. T cells recognize antigenic peptides presented by antigen-presenting cells, APCs, and assist in controlling immune responses. B cells produce antibodies, which target and neutralize pathogens. Lymphoid organs are vital for immune cell development, maturation, and coordination of immune responses. These organs include the thymus, bone marrow, lymph nodes, spleen, and mucosa-associated lymphoid tissue, MALT. The thymus is crucial for T cell maturation, while the bone marrow produces B cells. Lymph nodes and spleen serve as sites for immune cell interaction and activation. To initiate adaptive immune responses, antigens must be presented to T cells by specialized antigen-presenting cells, APCs. This process involves the presentation of antigenic peptides on major histocompatibility complex, MHC, molecules. Antigen processing and presentation occur through both the endogenous and exogenous pathways, enabling recognition by CD8+ cytotoxic T cells and CD4+ helper T cells, respectively. T cell activation occurs upon recognition of antigen MHC complexes and stimulation of co-stimulatory signals. Upon activation, T cells undergo clonal expansion, giving rise to effector T cells capable of eliminating infected cells. Cytokines released by activated T cells play crucial roles in enhancing immune responses and recruiting other immune cells to the site of infection. B cells undergo development, maturation, and activation processes in the bone marrow and secondary lymphoid organs. Antigen recognition by B cell receptors, BCRs, triggers activation, leading to clonal expansion and differentiation into plasma cells that secrete antibodies. Antibodies are essential for neutralizing pathogens, promoting their clearance by other immune cells, and activating complement-mediated immune responses. Antibodies, also known as immunoglobulins, are Y-shaped proteins produced by B cells. They possess antigen-binding sites that can specifically recognize and bind to pathogens. Antibodies provide protection through several mechanisms, such as neutralization, opsonization, antibody-dependent cellular cytotoxicity, ADCC, and complement activation. These processes collectively eliminate pathogens or mark them for destruction by other immune cells. Effector mechanisms involve multiple immune cells working together to eliminate pathogens. Natural killer, NK, cells directly kill infected or transformed cells by inducing apoptosis. Cytotoxic T cells recognize and kill infected cells through the release of cytotoxic granules containing perforin and granzymes. Additionally, phagocytes like macrophages and neutrophils engulf and destroy pathogens through phagocytosis. Immune cell trafficking encompasses the migration of various immune cell populations throughout the body, allowing their localization to sites of infection or inflammation. This process involves adhesion molecules, chemotaxis, and interactions between immune cells and endothelial cells of blood vessels. By selectively directing immune cells to specific tissues, immune surveillance and responses are efficiently coordinated. Immune regulation ensures a fine balance between protective immune responses and avoiding excessive tissue damage. Mechanisms of immune regulation involve interactions between immune cells, cytokines, and regulatory molecules. Key regulatory cells, such as regulatory T cells, TREGs, prevent autoimmune reactions by suppressing the activation of other immune cells. These mechanisms maintain immune homeostasis and prevent immune system dysregulation. The immune system retains memory of previous encounters with pathogens, enabling quicker and more effective responses upon reinfection. Memory cells, derived from activated lymphocytes, provide long-lasting protection. During a subsequent encounter with the same pathogen, memory cells quickly recognize and mount a robust immune response, preventing reinfection or limiting its severity. In conclusion, the immune system is a complex and remarkable network of cells and organs working together to safeguard our health. From the cellular components and functional mechanisms involving both innate and adaptive immunity to immune cell trafficking and memory, every aspect is intricately regulated to ensure our protection. Understanding these details is essential for medical professionals to diagnose, treat, and prevent various immune-related diseases. Keep exploring the fascinating world of cell biology and the immune system, as it holds numerous exciting discoveries yet to be made.